My name is Elijah Lawton. I'm originally from Staten Island, New York, but I currently live in Temecula, California. I'm in the United States Marine.
My name is Erwin Ramos and I come from Lauderdale, California.
My name is Joe Ray. I'm from Ponchatoula, Louisiana.
My name is Henry and I am from Queens, New York.
Nicholas Johnson. I live in Brentwood, New York.
My name's Tim Wolf and I'm from Irvington, Virginia.
How you doing? Carl Grace from Bridgeton, New Jersey.
My name is Ben Turing. I'm from Maryland.
My name is Jay Martell. I'm from right here in Pittsburgh.
My name is Facundo. I live in New York City, but I am from Buenos Aires, Argentina.
Jason Booker from North Stonington, Connecticut.
With all the competition out there and a lot of mobile detailing, I wanted to have a clerical name behind me, such as Detail Kings, which I followed early on in life, and to find out that they actually do some type of diploma for me, I think it would help my business as I wanted to grow.
The reason why I decided to come to Detail King's Craftsman seminar is because back home I wanted to start my own business on it. And when I want to do something, I want to do it professionally. So what a better way to come to Detail King's and get my certification and everything.
Trying to make sure I got all the right techniques to detail vehicles in my area and learn everything I can learn about the business.
Decided to attend Detail King is to gain the knowledge in order to detail cars, just to know more about it.
I decided to attend so I could learn more about the business side and also the work side as far as detailing cars and just get better at it.
Craftsman seminar. Want to launch a mobile detailing business on the northern neck of Virginia. There's not a whole lot of people doing it professionally out there, and everything that I read and watched online gave some real good insight as to what you could learn coming to Detail King to gain the knowledge on how to properly, professionally detail cars and get some sort of expertise in branding your business and growing it.
Well, I found you guys online and just looked like something I might want to try, and I don't know anything about detailing, so I'd like to learn the proper way to do it, and the business aspect of it.
I decided to attend for this seminar to improve my own business. I want to create my own business to do a best. And this seminar is very important to me because I want to know how to get a new technology to clean the best car for the customer.
Right now I got a few projects going on that I'm working on, and auto detailing cars is one of the projects that I wanted to do. I always like detailing cars, and this is one of the things that I looked into.
Well, I want to learn more about the car detailing. I want to applicate in my car, 1981 Renault 5, and maybe in the future open my own detailing business.
Well, actually, I went online and was researching like a bunch of different, other facilities you could go to and get a training course. This one seemed, from all the info and actually a lot of the rapport, they got feedback from people that had been here. It seemed to be the best, and seems to be proving out that way as I'm here. So, yeah.
So far, the business portion has been awesome. It's a lot of marketing stuff that I'm familiar with, but it's a lot of things I did not know that I think will help me take me to the next level when it comes to prospecting for future customers.
Great. Best seminar I've ever attended to. It's really good, very informative. It's solid.
I liked it. It told me a lot of ways of doing how to market it myself and get myself out there in the community and make better opportunities for me.
Very knowledgeable and great tool to actually market your business.
So far, the only thing I regret is that I didn't do this sooner. This is like one of the best classes I've taken so far for learning the business side.
The business portion has been everything I hoped it would be, from laying the groundwork to establishing your business to branding it and marketing it and helping it grow. It's been ideal so far.
Very informative. Yep.
So far I want to to explain and to help me to get a good job.
Business portion of the class is very informational. I really like it. It gives you a lot of information on marketing and a lot of other materials that they have to offer.
So far, very good. They show a lot of marketing techniques, how I use internet tools, and was very good.
I've been gathering some good information here. Only been here for a couple hours. Everyone's been very friendly. And like I said, been here for a couple hours. It's been great. Yeah, everyone's nice, sucking up some information. Look forward to the second half of the day and the next 2 days remaining.
Today's exterior training was outstanding. To utilize tools that I have yet to ever use myself and see the difference that it makes in your actual outcome of your work has been phenomenal. I mean, from the flex to the roop to the different pads, a lot of the things I did not know. But now that I know it, I'm eager to apply this to my business back home.
Exterior training today was amazing. Learned a lot today. Getting my hands on the vehicles, polishing, using all the different materials you guys have. It was great. Very, very informative.
Oh, it was wonderful. It took me to some places I never done when it comes to detailing the car. It showed me new things that I didn't know and a quicker way and better process for doing it to make the quality of work look better. It's something to have somebody to show you in depth of how to do it. And I think it's a wonderful thing that, all detailers need to come and see and do so they can learn better techniques because they may be doing it wrong.
Exterior training today was a wonderful experience. Using tools that I never thought that were that easy to use on your car and to actually makes your car actually really look good. I would recommend it to anybody, and I would recommend Detail King to anybody. It was really wonderful.
Today was a great day. Today we got to do a lot of hands-on with different equipment, and I learned a lot. So, I kind of got what I wanted to get out of this class, so really appreciated it.
The exterior training was top-notch, just like the business side of everything. The methods and procedures, they've got it dialed into every detail that needs to be covered. It's covered in the training. A lot of different tools I never thought I would need to use, but clearly they make the job a lot easier, a lot quicker, make you more efficient. Highly recommend the training, the program to anybody that's even considering getting into the business.
Today was great, Matter of fact, the whole experience was great. I came to learn about detailing, and the instructors are very knowledgeable and informationable. I can't say too much more than that. It was great.
Today is very, very, very amazing day because I know how to use the tools with detail, and I clean the tires, the ways, all things about the car. It's very, very amazing.
Today's exterior training was super full of funness. I really appreciate it. I would advise anybody who want to do auto detailing to come to Detail King.
Well, today was the best day so far. We washed the car, we prepared the car for polish, we used the tools, and we polished the car with 3 kinds of different products, so it was the best day so far.
Exterior hands-on training was very in-depth with detail. The guys, they went over everything, using the word detail, no pun intended, but everything was addressed, pinpointed, every little detail. Yeah, they went over everything, covered more stuff than I even thought was on the exterior of a car. So not only cleaning it well, good guidance and good teachers. All in all, it was very good. I enjoyed it.
How important to have the steamer in the wet vac, the heated wet vac at that. and the Tornador, excuse me. That was amazing too, and it definitely, to hear from other people who've used it and to actually use it myself, yes, those are some of my next investments to expedite and get more turnaround for my business.
All right, so the interior hands-on class today was amazing, dude. I was beyond happy with how everything went. The way that they showed me how to use all the tools, the not the acids, but all the equipment and all that stuff. It was great. Very, very, very excited about this experience. I cannot wait to go back to my home and my business and put these skills into it. You guys are great.
Oh, it was wonderful. I enjoyed working with the carpet extractor. That's one of the biggest questions I had coming here is, ways I could do the carpet extraction and shampooing people's cars out for them. And so I think it was very hands-on, and I was able to answer all my questions that I had about it.
I enjoyed it. It was great. Learned a lot. It's something that I would definitely recommend for people to actually come here to Detail King and take the classes. It's made me a different person as far as how to detail cars now.
Today was a good day. We learned, I learned a lot about the different products, easier way of cleaning, easier methods, and overall it was a great class.
Well, again, really solid program they've got here. A lot of information to take in, but everything that they provide for you really helps you perform a top-notch detail on the interior, just like the exterior.
Again, very informative. I'm a newcomer, so I didn't know much about interior cleaning other than going to the car wash, just a vacuum. But very informational.
Sunday is the last day, and you do the interior car. It's very, very important because the interior is meaning like a bed when you live, and interior will be very clean. And Detail King show us how to clean very good interior. And I think so, the customer will be very agree because I clean now very well the car.
The interior hands-on training was amazing. I really liked it. It's very in-depth in detail. It's a lot of attention that you have to pay. There's a lot of things that I did not know that you need to pay attention to when you're dealing with interior.
Oh, it was a very good day. We work in the interior car. We use a vacuum cleaner, steamer cleaner. It was a good day. It was a very good day.
Interior was same analogy as of yesterday. Tight quarters. If you're 6'5", getting in there in the front seat, don't do it. Let the little guy get in the front. The back seat's better. It was good. Everything has been good. As far as even signing up, talking to people before coming to the course, it's been very professional right off the rip. Starting on the first phone call to come to this seminar up until right now. A gentleman behind the camera, very nice kid.
So what I've been doing before I came to the school has been recommending to someone else, just off your YouTube tutorials. Every hashtag that I use has Detail Kings on it because I am a true believer. Sometimes you have to pay into yourself, and this definitely was one of the best pains I've made in my life.
Of course I will, man. This place is amazing. I love the hospitality. Feels like home here now,
I'm gonna tell a few of my friends that I know that's in the detailing business about it, and where they can get the opportunity to come up here and also get, very good details and get the hands-on portion also about what to do and how they could do it.
Really would recommend anybody that wants to do this to come to Detail King, 100%.
Definitely, I definitely recommend anyone who wants to do detailing or professional detailing, mobile detailing, to take a Detail King class. You learn a lot, you learn a lot of tricks, in the trade, and it's definitely a way to go.
Absolutely recommend the CRAFTSMAN seminar if you're even considering getting into the business or you want to gain more knowledge. Maybe you're not quite to the level you want to be. I really think this is going to get you there. And like I said, if you're looking to get into the business, I don't think you could ask for a better program to get you going in the right direction.
Yes, I would definitely recommend your training, Detail Kings training. It's been a while since I've been in class, and just the instructors were great. I had a great time.
I think so. All the guys need to be here to clean and to know how to do a bus. Detail King is their reference. Thank you, Detail King.
I would. Unfortunately, I'm right here. I'm the Pittsburgh kid.
Yes, definitely. Not only if you want to open your own detailing car business. If you love the cars, if you love washing, it's a really good tool.
Of course I would. Yeah, definitely. Come on down.